There was a small turtle who lived near a green forest, and he was very slow, while other animals were very fast. They laughed at him and said he would never win or do anything good. The turtle felt sad, but he kept moving forward. One day, all animals decided to go to a big fruit tree, and they ran very fast without thinking. They took the wrong path and got lost. They became tired and scared. The turtle kept walking. Slowly and calmly he watched the trees, the ground, and the light of the sun, and step by step he found the right way. When he reached the fruit tree, he saw the other animals and guided them back safely. Everyone felt sorry for laughing at him, and they thanked the turtle. The turtle felt happy and proud. The lesson for kids is that being slow does not mean being weak, and never giving up is very important. The lesson for adults is that patience, calm thinking, and steady effort can solve problems better than rushing and judging others too quickly.